Good morning, nursery class children. So, children, I hope you have understood before numbers, after numbers, and between numbers. बच्चों, हमने बिफोर नंबर्स, आफ्टर नंबर्स और बिटवीन नंबर सीख लिए हैं. So today, children, we are going to revise again between numbers by doing this flashcard activity. Okay, children? So let's start. Now, what number comes between 1 and 3? What number comes between 1 and 3? बच्चों, 1 और 3 के मिडल में, बीच में कौन सा नंबर आता है? कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट नंबर कम्स बिटवीन 1 and 3? Yes, very good. It's number 2. Number 2. 2 is between number. So children, can you tell me before 2 what number comes? What number comes before 2? 2 से पहले कौन सा नंबर आता है बच्चों? कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट नंबर कम्स बिफोर नंबर 2? Yes, very good. It's number 1. And what number comes after number 2? 2 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है बच्चों? कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट नंबर कम्स आफ्टर नंबर 2? Yes, it's number 3. Before 2 comes number 1 and after 2 comes number 3. So now can you tell me children what number comes between 6 and 8? What number comes between 6 and 8? बच्चों 6 और 8 के बीच में मिडल में कौन सा नंबर आता है? कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट नंबर कम्स? यस, वेरी गुड. इट्स नंबर 7. Number 7 is between number. Okay, children. Now I will ask one question. What number comes before number 6? What number comes before number 7? 7 से पहले कौन सा नंबर आता है बच्चों? What number comes before number 7? Yes, very good. It's number 6. 7 से पहले 6 आता है. And what number comes after number 7? 7 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है बच्चों? Yes, very good. It's number 8. Before 7 comes number 6 and after 7 comes number 8. Now children, can you tell me what number comes between 4 and 6? What number comes between 4 and 6? बच्चों 4 और 6 के बीच में मिडल में कौन सा नंबर आता है बच्चों? कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट नंबर कम्स? यस, वेरी गुड. इट्स नंबर 5. It's number 5. Between 4 and 6 comes number 5. Now, can you tell me children, what number comes before number 5? What number comes before number 5? 5 से पहले कौन सा नंबर आता है बच्चों? कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट नंबर कम्स बिफोर नंबर 5? Yes, very good. It's number 4. And what number comes after number 5? What number comes after number 5? 5 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है बच्चों? Can you tell me? Yes, very good. It's number 6. Before 5 comes number 4 and after 5 comes number 6. So children, you have to make worksheet like this and you have to write down between numbers and then you have to color between number. Okay children? बच्चों आपको इसी तरह से वर्कशीट को बनाना है और सबसे पहले आपको बिटवीन नंबर्स लिखने हैं एंड देन you have to color between numbers. Okay children? So let's start. What number comes between 3 and 5? What number comes between 3 and 5? 3 और 5 के मिडल में, बीच में कौन सा नंबर आता है बच्चों? Can you tell me what number comes? Tell me. Yes, very good. It's number 4. Number 4. Now you have to color number 4. First you have to write down number 4 and then you have to color this between number. Okay children, like this. Now, what number comes between 6 and 8? What number comes between 6 and 8? Tell me. Yes, very good. It's number 7. Number 7. So now you have to color number 7. Like this. First you have to write down and then you have to color between number. Now what number comes between 1 and 3? What number comes between 1 and 3? बच्चों 1 और 3 के मिडल में, बीच में कौन सा नंबर आता है? Can you tell me what number comes? Yes, very good. It's number 2. It's number 2. So now you have to color number 2. You have to color between number like this. Now what number comes between 8 and 10? What number comes between 8 and 10? बच्चों 8 और 10 के बीच में, मिडल में कौन सा नंबर आता है? Can you tell me what number comes between 8 and 10? Yes, it's number 9. So you have to write down number 9 and then you have to color it number 9. So now what number comes between 4 and 6? What number comes between 4 and 6? बच्चों 4 और 6 के बीच में कौन सा नंबर है? Yes, it's number 5. 5 is between number. So you have to color it number 5. Okay children? Children, first you have to write down between numbers and then you have to color it between numbers. So I hope children you have understood all this work. So thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.